Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaal Insights, and today we will talk about how to apply for Sapienza University of Rome admissions and discuss complete application process. Also, we will learn what requirements are needed to apply for this university. So let's go. Alright, right. Sapienza University admissions 2024, and this page will be open. You have to click on first link, admission requirements. You have to completely go through this PDF because some courses are offered in English and some courses are offered in Italian language. And here you can find programs for bachelor's, and there are plenty of courses for master's, so you can apply. Alright, so here you can see complete description of each course. So after reading all that, you can click on this link, sapienza.gomoving.com, and here you will see this type of interface. I already have created my account, so only you have to create your account. You have to register yourself with your name, surname, and passport number, and then this page will be opened, and they're asking about your preliminary information, so you can apply for like 2 courses at the same time for bachelor's or master's, and then you have to click next. If you are an international student, so you have to apply for a visa, so you have to select this option yes, because for non-European students they definitely need a visa, so you have to click on this option yes. And if you want to apply for bachelor's, you can select this option, and for masters you have to select this option. Okay, so I am applying for bachelor's, for example, so I will select this, and then you have to carefully select your program, and then you have to mention your nationality, second nationality, and current country of residence, and this is very important. You have to select this and then move to next page. Here you have to mention all your personal details, your name, last name, first name, date of birth, city of birth, passport. You have to upload your passport as a PDF over here, and you have to mention your passport number. If we scroll down, they're asking you about your contact details, like how they can contact you if you are selected, so you have to mention and provide them a link. And then you have to provide your cellular number, your current address, and then yes guys, this is very important section. So whichever country you are applying from, you have to write your country, like you have to apply to your embassy or consulate. So for example, if I'm applying from Pakistan, so I will select this option, Embassy of Italy in Islamabad, or if I'm choosing this option, if I live in Karachi, so I will choose Consulate of Italy in Karachi. So I will select this, Embassy of Italy in Islamabad, and then move to next. Okay, for languages, for bachelor's, it's completely like the requirement is that you should have IELTS with you for before applying to any course, and for masters it's not necessarily important, so you can upload your IELTS PDF over here, and you can select your English level, and also you can select your mother tongue. And okay, they're asking you in education section about your secondary education. If you have applying for bachelor's, so you have to upload all your degree and transcript related to 12 years of education. But if you are applying to masters, you have to complete this section as well, because you have to upload your bachelor's transcript and everything. And Here they're asking if any additional documents are needed to strengthen the application, for example some diploma courses or some like any other achievement you can attach in a one single PDF, and then you can jump to next. If you have done any internship or if you have any past experience related to your course, you can provide through your CV and move to next. Here they're asking about your tests, so you have to choose any of these and your test date, score, and you have to provide them a scale, and your test result PDF should be here, and then you have to move to next. Okay guys, so letter of motivation is very important, so you have to pay attention. Like I mentioned here, my motivational letter is attached to educational document section, so they're asking for like 250 words, but it's for me it's very important, so I have attached in my education section along with my educational documents, and you have to choose this section and move to next. You can attach any referee you like, your professor or your company's boss or any other reference. So you should provide their name, last name, organization or school or college where you have studied, or their job title, their phone number or their emails, and they will, so this portal will send them an email, and they will ask them about your reputation or everything about you. So you have to carefully provide trustworthy person's information. And then unlike last year, this year's Sapienza is asking for application fee, so you have to click here and you have to fill out application fee requirements, and then you have to pay. Simply you can translate this page like this. Okay, you have to mention your name, and if you do not have a VAT number or Italian ID, you can click anonymous, and your nationality, for example Pakistan. Your every detail should be mentioned here, and payment reason, application fee online, and reason is moving, amount 30 euros. I have read and agreed, and here you can like after filling all these sections, you can click on start online payment, or you can, and then you can download your payment slip, and here you can attach or upload your payment slip, and here comes the final submission. I certify the information provided in this application form is accurate, so you have to click here yes. I specifically certify that I have completed at least 12 years of prior studies, so you have to click yes. I'm applying on behalf of a third party. If you're applying for yourself, you can click no, and I declare that I have created only one free section account to my name. You can click yes, and then you can click here final submission, and then your application will be submitted.